In this video, we will learn how to change the ringtone in an iPhone 6s Plus. So this is an iPhone 6s Plus. In market, there are several colors of iPhone 6s Plus are available, but for any colors of phone, the process is exactly same as I'm showing here. Now to change the ringtone, first click settings, and here you can see sounds. Now click sounds. Now here is the ringtone option, ringtone. Now there are a lot of ringtones here. Now you can pick your one. Here also some classic. Now suppose I want to pick this one. Okay, so this would be my new ringtone. Even you can select the vibration, that means the phone will vibrate. And here there are more options. By sliding to right, you can change the sound, adjust the sound level, and if you click this one, then the phone will vibrate when it's ring, and if you click that one, the phone will even vibrate when it's in silent mode. To turn on silent mode, here is the silent mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching.